Yena yenim say nansen tension kese pa na say tension ewo Ghana concerning the fact say President John Dramani Mahama has suspended Chief Justice Gertrude Tokunu. I'm no say where ye board members are warm ehwe maameno ensemu. Na we na bi a oye NPP form paying for ne ba kwa ba bonten na ono so di na no abeto nsemu na utie na bi nsema wo kan there say o kiremu a ne ekos no entwai na enye ne sa ene wo say President John Dramani or the handle Chief Justice na enye Chief Justice na as wo ye nemum wo ye sa de no ma na tia NPP any NPP form paying for ne NPP party ni nyina and yade a eni se ba se bansa na se entwai ewo Ghana democracy ni democracy nim na we na Kelvin Taylor enso aba bonten na ono so ne nsem a wo kana se o kirechiri mu na se nana bi ennim ade na ebe yanka onkonkosua ade eyi no onte enima biase because these are some of the reasons here emanentie ananse emanen onye interviews for Ghana because say utie Ghana for ayomu ye interview ananse omkotena radio station na say bebre na no sebio amadwene ewo form kakra nsem de Kelvin Taylor waka bebre eti mementment na ha na nka Kelvin Taylor ensem ema no mom yenko ne nkotie nsem a Kelvin Taylor kan before that no na bi video no ene to aso no
embark on a series of protests to express their dissatisfaction.
Democracy is under attack. Our judiciary is under attack. Do not think that this attack is on the person of Chief Justice Tokunu. No, it is the entire judiciary. Expect massive protest from us. We will agitate. We will not sit down quietly. We will agitate. This is unconstitutional.
From the NPP's national headquarters in Accra, my name is Kenneth Jesse for Joy News.
This is the party that we are waiting for them to come into power. Nanabia is ankure. Or say, the judiciary is under attack. So we study NPP for communicators in speaking on this CJ suspension. They have not been able to clearly say the president went against the law. And then I heard the most important part. Any international journalist be onimian sebiana or be interview NPP nino. Say sa journalist no or international journalist no so a papa no onimian. The first question I will ask you is, did the president flout the law? Did he go against the constitution? That would be my first question to you, the NPP person. Journalists be all gonna be onimian sebia na adwene adwuma no. The first question I'll ask you is say, you, the person sitting before me and saying, say, our constitution, our judiciary is under attack. Now, I get it. But I want to ask you, you are saying this based on the fact to say, the Chief Justice has been suspended by the president. Did the president go against the constitution? Or he basically performed his constitutional duty? So I'm a journalist or Ghana radio so until you answer that question, I will not engage you or allow you to sit, because Sir President Linya Bonedia, whatever you are telling me is your own perception and your own opinion. We are stating facts. We are not talking about sentiments. We are not talking about how you feel or what you think should be done. It is about what the fact states, what the constitution states. So a barrel, a foolish idiot like Nana B, Jimmy now, or they're about to TV. So, you know what? The whole world would know how the democratically elected president suddenly turned into a dictator and a tyrant. The question here is, the whole world is where? UK. UK now the whole world, no? Where? America. Where is the whole world? The whole world is asking, what has the president done wrong? In Kwasiafuasefo, Muji said 1992 politics. You people think we are still doing 1992 politics. Me, Sabiti TV, so there's a reason why I don't do interviews. I don't grant interviews. Because majority of the people in Ghana, omudi politics, political parties, especially NPP4, they are so stupid to the point they cannot sit before me and answer my questions. Because it does not matter who you are in the NPP. So the first question I'll ask you is that, did the president do anything wrong? So share a constitutional, a guided president, I'm taking this decision against the Chief Justice. The president even went further to give the Chief Justice enough hearing room, enough room to be heard. Now look at this. Yeah? When you read the Constitution, chapter 11, the judiciary. So we read here, 146, removal of Chief Justice of Superior Courts and Chairman of Regional Tribunals. Now, John Mahama did that. Normally, it doesn't normally happen. Yeah? Where the petition is for the removal of Chief Justice, where the petition is for the removal of the Chief Justice, the president shall, this shall, technically is a command. The president shall, he must, he should, the president shall, acting in consultation with the Council of State, appoint a committee consisting of 2 justices of the Supreme Court, one of whom shall be appointed chairman by the president, and 3 other persons who are not members of the Council of State, nor members of Parliament, nor lawyers. Did the president do this? Yes. Petitions against the Chief Justice, when did they start? When the Kufuor was in power, he received petitions. What did he do? He said he did not see anything in it. That was what he saw. So if today the president receives petition and sees something in it, what has the president done? Kufuor received petitions. He thought or he felt that the petitions he received, it did not have any merit. It did not have enough evidence to, at the end of the day, push to the Council of State. So he threw the petitions away. This president has also received petitions from the same Ghanaians. These same people, they brought petition to the president. He looked at it and said he sees something in it. He handed it over to the Council of State. What wrong has the president done? Who is the international community? Who? Ukraine? Which international community hasn't committed a crime in their own country? Do you know the people who have been abused in the UK? Do you know the people who have been abused in the United States? Do you know the people who are going through judicial hostilities in this so-called international community? You are mad. In the international community, your constitution, who is the international community? Who? Was the international community now in Ghana when you fools shot 8 people during our elections? What did they do? You people are mad. What about them? You see, this is the Constitution. 7. The committee appointed under clause 6 of this article shall inquire into the petition and recommend to the president whether the Chief Justice ought to be removed from office. Did the president do that? The president basically put together a committee. What did the committee do? They have to, at the end of the day, recommend. Did they recommend? You are a fool to say the international community. Now you go to 8. All proceedings under this article shall be held in camera, and the justice or chairman against whom the petition is made is entitled to be heard in his defense by himself or by a lawyer or other aspect of his choice. Has the president gone against this? No, we are not even there yet. Now you go there. The president shall in each case act in accordance with the recommendation of the committee. Now, as we sit here, the Chief Justice has been given every single allegation against her. The president, when you go back and you read, the president was not even supposed to do it. If you read the Constitution very well, but this president even gave this woman 10 days. Now, as we sit here, you sit there and you tell me, say, the judiciary is under attack. Which part of the judiciary is being attacked? Tell me. You see, the NPP as a political party cannot differentiate between tribalism or tribal politics and real politics. The same way they cannot differentiate between their sentiments, how they feel, and what the facts are. That has been the problem of this party. This tribal, stupid, piglet party. It has always been about intertwining, mixing tribalism with politics, mixing chieftaincy with politics. They cannot take their emotions out and look at the matter. Because I'm still yet to see one person come on social media, on TV, traditional radio or TV, to tell me emphatically that John Mahama has gone against the law. Then I'll have a problem. Into Abrafuna Moko Mohomoko granting interviews, no. Sa Abrafuna Munyansa and Kombe Busam say The president you are talking about and saying his government they have stabbed the judiciary in the back. Has he gone against the constitution? What is making you call the president a tyrant? Is it your opinion that is making you think the president is a tyrant? Or the facts are showing the president is a tyrant? Because it is only the facts that can conclude that the president has acted against the constitution. And where has the president acted against the constitution? In this whole process. Yodium. You demonstration. Demonstration. The international world. That is why you are going to be in opposition for 42 years and over. And I am promising you people that. It is clear. A committee needs to be put together. The Chief Justice today, the Council of State, they have established a prima facie case against her. The next step is for the president to determine whether she stays or she steps aside for a committee to be put together for investigations to be done. What wrong has the president done? Your problem is that if Akufo-Addo sees 1 + 1 as 3, John Dramani Mahama should also see 1 + 1 as 3. That is your thinking. So Akufo-Addo 1 + 1 as 3. And was said by force, John Mahama, so he needs to see 1 + 1 as 3. Nankasani Kanadia, Sankwasiafo, Monamkacha say review means cancellation. And I'm a into today, no, Yanka say review means cancellation. You people are stupid. Because Jimmy, the party is filled with people who cannot think deep. They think about their emotions. And then where you say, your mama or person change or quite issue or quite Jimmy. Look at the issues. From today, from Ochina, all that you hear, you just say, John Mahama per se, per se Siano, Momi Conchamo. Don't person we say, oh, Jemen, some person we Jemensa. Now Jemensa is she above the law. The president himself is not above the law. So Jemensa no number is she above the law? No. Mrs. NPP for say, because John Mahama has followed the constitution and followed the right thing, we'll take a decision. So I'm about power in 8 years, 42 years. Now we'll be changing every judge in the Supreme Court. I don't care. As far as you have grounds. I'm much constitutional. And the men can say the acting Chief Justice. And the men can say occur against the Juma or somebody can write a petition and he himself can be changed. The constitution was written to guide us, to protect us. So what stops you from using or applying the constitution? It's over to yes, you see, John Mahama, only the Bush for NDC for Omuyaku. Don't man say, the Chief Justice, no, Chief Justice, no, Omukwa easy, no, easy, no, be easy, no, bonia. Because who feel say it goes against you, Nitimami Yinana, or Potam. Tana Mobasa at you people cannot think deep. Listen to your analysis. Mepe nipa ba ko beka say, "Ana me call school no, we na kire, so we read the constitution na, John Mahama ye mistake. John Mahama di bone, obia ni obetima kasa ase ni bi Ghana. Inwanma, mo agimi, mo ko school amunsua de. Sensationalism, sentiment, tribal sentiment. You are whipping people's emotions. You think that can win you power? That cannot win any full power in Ghana. That cannot win any full power. Because you need to let the people listening to you. You need to let them understand the say. You need to let them understand the say. They are all can Mr. P, Mr. S. So when you read the whole article I was reading to you, the CJ has been suspended. It is in accordance with Ghana Mrano. Now the question here is, CJ being suspended, does it mean CJ has been sacked? CJ has not been sacked. A committee has been put together. The president wants to get to the bottom of the matter. In fact, Ghanaians and the constitution wants to get to the bottom of the matter. Now, constitution is our president, that opportunity whether to keep the CJ or to let the CJ step aside. The president believes, say, the CJ needs to step aside for a clean cut investigations in camera. What is the big deal here? As we speak today, Madam Tokonu is a CJ. She has been suspended. You people are making it look like, say, when you say CJ, no, ya pamono. Why not Pamo Tokonu or Ghana? Obian pamono. She has been suspended. Now, suspension, when did suspension become sack? I am asking the NPP. And kwasiavo to social media, NPP before when the suspension becomes sack. Unless you prove to me that suspension is sack. Into more to TV, so radio, so City News, if one join news for Moka Cambro focus here. The simplest question is suspension sack? A suspension sack when somebody is suspended doesn't mean the person has been sacked. So why are you people making it look like say CJ has been sacked? She has not been sacked. She has just been suspended. Unless you say you people, you in your dictionary, suspension means sack. Me, I will not engage fools and have this kind of banter of interview people.